Chosen one, stop whatever you are doing. If you are around other people, step away. Silence the noise. You did not stumble upon this message by accident. A higher intelligence has guided you here because a specific word has been released over your life today. For months, you have walked through a season of profound silence, feeling a deep spiritual exhaustion that settles into your bones. You have watched your prayers seemingly hit a brass ceiling, wondering if the Creator still sees the weight you carry. Listen carefully, because this transmission is straight from God to your spirit right now. Your waiting was never a punishment, and your isolation was not a rejection. It was sacred incubation. The Father has seen every moment you chose faith when fear was screaming in your ears. Heaven has paused its usual order to deliver a blueprint that will recontextualize every tear you refuse to let fall in public. I need you to stay with me until the very last second of this message. Do not let your mind wander, because by the end of our time together today, I am going to show you the exact truth beneath your struggle and why you have felt so stuck. You will receive a specific framework, a practical tool you can use the moment this audio ends to completely shift the energy in your life. And most importantly, I will reveal a truth about your identity that will shatter every limitation you have placed on yourself. The reality is, you are not who you think you are. You are something much more powerful. You have watched others walk easily into their blessings while you had to fight for every inch of ground. You have felt the quiet sting of being misunderstood by the people you love the most. You have carried a vision in your heart that seemed completely disconnected from the reality of your current circumstances. I know it hurts. I know it is heavy. Right now in your mind, I want you to visualize a heavy cloak dropping from your shoulders. Settle your spirit. Take a slow, deep breath in and release the tension in your jaw. You are in a safe space now. But to understand where you are going, you must first realize what has been happening in the dark. Let us talk about the waiting, the brutal, agonizing season of delay you have been trapped in. You have done the work. You have prayed the prayers. You have forgiven the people who broke your trust. Yet day after day you wake up to the same scenery, the same quiet room, the same unfulfilled promises. It feels like you are walking through a desert, crying out for a drop of water, wondering if your calling was just a figment of your imagination. Imagine you are sitting alone in the dark, watching the headlights of cars pass by your window. The glass is cold against your forehead as you watch a world that seems to be moving on without you. You scroll through your phone and realize there is no one you can actually call who would understand the depth of what you are feeling. The loneliness in that moment is so thick you can almost touch it. If you felt that exact scenario in your chest, I want you to type the words "I see it" in the comments below. Let that be your quiet confirmation that you are seen today. That crushing loneliness was not a mistake. The Creator allowed the room to empty out. This is exactly why you were isolated. The universe was not punishing you. It was protecting you from the wrong voices entering your spirit during your most vulnerable phase of construction. Listen to me closely. What felt like brutal rejection was actually divine protection. What felt like an endless delay was actually essential development. What felt like suffocating isolation was actually sacred insulation. Think of David in the ancient texts. Long before he ever stood in front of a giant, long before a crown was ever placed upon his head, he was completely invisible. He was left out in the dirty fields, tending to sheep, forgotten by his own father and brothers. When the prophet came to town, he was isolated. But in that dirty, quiet field, away from the applause and away from the opinions of others, he was learning how to fight lions and bears in the dark. He was being anointed in the shadows. His isolation was the very laboratory where his authority was built. You are in the field right now, chosen one. But this isolation is only the first layer. There is a deeper reason for your separation, a reason that is happening inside your very cells. Remember the silence we just spoke of? That silence was preparing your ears for something specific. In the quietness of your isolation, something profound has been happening to your energy. You have been experiencing a massive shift in your frequency, and it is manifesting in your physical body. You have been walking around with an unexplained fatigue. Not the kind of tired you get from a long day of work, but a bone-deep exhaustion that 10 hours of sleep cannot cure. Your body has been processing a spiritual weight. Notice how your chest feels tighter than it should when you think about your future. Notice how your mind has been louder than usual, analyzing every past mistake. Notice how your spirit has felt crowded and agitated, even when you are physically sitting completely alone in a quiet room. This is not anxiety. This is your energetic signature recalibrating to hold a higher blessing. As your frequency rises, it naturally begins to repel anything that operates on a lower vibration. The environments you used to tolerate now feel suffocating. The conversations you used to engage in now feel draining. Because your frequency is shifting so drastically, you need a way to protect this new energy. This is why I am giving you a specific tool today. I call it the resonance check. Whenever a new opportunity, a new person, or a sudden decision enters your life, you are no longer going to react immediately. Instead, you will pause, close your eyes, and perform the resonance check. Ask yourself one question. Does this bring peace to my spirit, or does it bring confusion? If it brings a tightening in your gut, if it brings a sense of frantic urgency, it is not your assignment. If it brings a quiet, heavy peace, even if it scares you, it is from the divine. You are allowed to protect your energy. You are allowed to say no without an explanation. When the wrong people walk away, let them go. When the door to the old season closes, let it go. When the familiar comfort of your past begs you to return, let it go. Your entire system is being upgraded, and there is a specific frequency, a state of genius the Creator designed you with from the moment you were born that is crying out to be reactivated. I will explain exactly how to unlock that shortly. But there is a reason your frequency had to change in the first place. There is a reason the shift had to be this painful, a reason that involves what was intentionally stolen from you long ago. This brings us to a truth that science is only now beginning to understand something about your very design. The reason your frequency had to change, the reason the shift has been so violently opposed, is because of what was stolen from you. The enemy could not stop what the Creator ordained for your life. He could not erase your calling. But what he could do is distract you, provoke you, and drain your frequency. They attacked your peace, so you could not hear the guidance. They attacked your confidence, so you would not step into the room. They attacked your relationships, so you would feel completely unsupported. The intensity of the attacks on your life is directly proportional to the importance of your mission. What felt like a curse was actually a confirmation of your threat level to the darkness. And I have to ask you something right now. Look at your own life. When was the last time you actually believed something truly good was coming for you, without a disaster following right behind it? You have been conditioned to expect the penalty, but the ancient text offers a different reality. Look at the word restore. In the original Hebrew, the word is shalom. Shalom does not just mean putting things back to normal. It means to be made complete, to be paid back with interest. God is not just restoring what you lost. He is overpaying you for your suffering. It is as if a court finds a thief guilty and orders them to pay you back $500 for the $100 they stole. Now let me show you the magnitude of what God is restoring. Because when you finally grasp what this opposition was trying to stop, your entire posture will change. This is the truth that changes everything. The opposition was never trying to stop you from just getting a job, or finding a partner, or paying your bills. The darkness was terrified of you waking up to your true identity. You are not just someone surviving a tough season. You are the cycle breaker. You are the hope restorer. You are the one who carries illumination into spaces that have forgotten what light looks like. For generations, your bloodline has carried specific patterns of trauma, poverty, and brokenness. And the divine looked down the timeline of your family and chose you to be the one where the curse stops. You are the bridge between the pain of the past and the promise of the future. You are the deliverer. You are the voice. You are the pioneer. But right now there is a very specific fear trying to hold you back from this peak. It is the terror of success. Part of you is terrified that if you actually step into this massive calling, you might mess it up. You fear that if you are fully seen, you will be exposed as a fraud. Hear me clearly. That fear you feel is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of wisdom. Those who crashed had no fear because they had no awareness of the weight of the calling. Your healthy fear is what proves you are ready to carry it. Take a breath. Now that you know who you are, we must address the barrier in your mind that is keeping you from walking in this authority. To walk in this calling, your mind must be physically and energetically aligned with the frequency of heaven. Science is finally catching up to what the ancient mystics always knew. There is a specific frequency, a super brainwave, that scientists call the gamma wave. This is the God-given ability, the genius state, where intuition is sharp, creativity flows naturally, and the universe seems to open doors effortlessly. When you were a child, your brain produced massive amounts of this gamma frequency. But due to the heavy programming of modern life, the stress and the educational systems, almost everyone experiences what neuroscientists call the decline effect, starting around age 7. This frequency goes dormant, but here is the reality for a chosen one. You were born with a much higher baseline of this gamma frequency than the average person. That is why your intuition was so strong. That is why you always felt different. And it is exactly why, when the world shut your gamma down, you felt the loss more heavily than anyone else. Your brain feels foggy, your energy feels blocked, and you feel like you are operating at a fraction of your true capacity. I know you are thinking that you have tried everything. You have tried meditation, you have tried yoga, you have tried positive thinking, and nothing truly unlocked that dormant power. That is because traditional meditation can take years of daily practice to even glimpse a gamma state. But neuroscientists have developed a way to bypass the waiting. I want to tell you about a 38-year-old woman who was just like you. She had tried every spiritual practice, feeling like she had nothing left to lose. She discovered a 7-minute audio track rooted in brain entrainment science. Within 2 weeks, she did not just feel better, she began experiencing impossible synchronicities. The universe began speaking a language she finally understood. This tool is called the Genius Song. It is a 7-minute digital audio track engineered by Dr. Robert Lake to reactivate your dormant gamma waves without years of meditation. Normally, achieving this level of brainwave calibration requires biofeedback therapy costing upwards of $7,000. Dr. Lake compressed this technology into an audio track originally priced at $49. But because he wants to get this sacred technology into the hands of those who are truly ready to awaken, he has lowered it to $39 exclusively for those hearing this message. You cannot find this price on Amazon or anywhere else. And it comes with 4 powerful bonuses, including the Genius Child Track and a guided visualization, plus a full 100% money-back guarantee. If you do not feel the shift, you get every penny back. The only risk is continuing to live below your divine potential. But you must be careful. Because of its success, there are counterfeit versions on Amazon and other sites that do not contain the actual brain entrainment technology. If you feel led to step into this energetic upgrade, I have placed the only official link in the description and pinned comment below. Follow it only if your spirit resonates. Before we seal this truth over your life, there is one more thing you must understand about your destiny. The truth is, your preparation was never just for you. I want to tell you about a man, a chosen one, walking a path very similar to yours. 9 months ago, he was facing a total collapse. A major door he had relied on suddenly slammed shut. He felt completely abandoned by the universe. But instead of panicking, he practiced strategic silence. He went into a quiet period of intense frequency alignment. He stopped defending himself to people who misunderstood him. On day 38 of his silence, a door he had never even knocked on suddenly opened. A breakthrough arrived that provided double what he had lost. He proved himself in silence before the Creator promoted him in public. And it is not just him. Right now, all across the world, chosen ones are going through this exact same shift. You are not alone in this. You are part of a global awakening, a network of light that is turning the tide of history. Stay with me, because what I am about to declare over you in this final activation is the very reason you were guided to this message today. Type "I release" in the comments right now to let go of what no longer serves you, so your hands are empty and ready to receive. Father, Creator, Source of all things, we thank you for the wilderness. We thank you for the silence. You saw every heavy tear. You saw every moment this chosen one held the line when they wanted to collapse. You witnessed their quiet faithfulness in the darkest hours when no one else was clapping for them. It is time to let it go. Release the old story. Release the ceiling you thought you could not break. Release the wounds inflicted by those who could not understand your calling. Release the comparison that kept you feeling behind. Release the heavy cloak of unworthiness. In your mind, I want you to close your eyes for a moment and visualize yourself standing in a vast, brilliant hall of mirrors. But instead of reflecting your past mistakes or your anxieties, every mirror in this room reflects the version of you that has already won. The version of you that is fully funded, fully healed, securely loved, and completely aligned with your purpose. Feel the physical weight of that reality settling deeply into your bones right now. Notice the shift in the atmosphere of the room you are in. This is not a regular prayer. This is an activation, a divine commissioning. We call forth the right and aligned connections. We command the doors that were held shut by fear and disbelief to fly open now. We place a seal of fierce protection over what is being built in you, guarding your new frequency from premature exposure and any form of self-sabotage. Stand tall in your spirit and declare this with me. Say it in your heart. I am the cycle breaker. I am the hope restorer. I am the light bearer. I am walking into the season of overpayment. It is done. It is sealed. We receive it. But do not say Amen and rush away just yet. I want you to sit quietly in this exact frequency for the next 60 seconds. Let the weight of this spiritual shift settle completely into your DNA. Just breathe and let it anchor. And one more thing. You are not the person you were when you pressed play on this message. A monumental shift has occurred in your spirit. If your spirit just confirmed that if something in your chest finally feels light, type I am ready in the comments with the force of a lion to seal this identity over your life. If this message brought clarity to your confusion, if it brought peace to your chaos, gently press the like button. Not for me, but let your like be your agreement without words, so this exact frequency can reach another child of God who desperately needs this hope tonight. There are more messages being prepared for the new season you are walking into. Stay connected and subscribe so they can find you. For those who felt deeply called to what I shared earlier about recalibrating your brainwaves, the link for the Genius song is in the description and pinned comment. Investigate only if your spirit bears witness. If someone came to mind while you were listening, someone who has been pulled away from everyone, someone who has been unusually quiet lately, someone who has been struggling to explain the deep transition they are going through, share this with them. Text it. Send it however you need to, because this might be the exact confirmation they have been praying for in secret. May your path be fully illuminated, and may your peace remain unshakable. Remember, you are not just leaving a message today, you are leaving an entire season behind you.